Welcome to the D&Q Experience. This video, as you can tell by the title, will be a room tour of our room where we are staying in New York. I don't remember the name of the hotel, but I'll put it right here. I can't even pronounce it anyway, but it's on the screen for you guys to reference to. Citadines something. For you to reference to, also in the title, so you would know what you're looking at. But guys, Damion and I found this hotel through Hotwire at a discounted rate. Guys, I forgot Hotwire even existed. I've never used Hotwire, but we found a hotel on Hotwire at a discounted rate, and we knew what hotel we were booking before we booked it. I found a little hack for that. Let's get into the actual room tour. So I did do some searches to find this room tour. Like before we got here, there was one video, it was not helpful, and then the other videos were not this location. So this is the location in New York. Once again, here's the address on the screen for you guys to know exactly which hotel this is. Let's get into the room tour. Here is the entrance to our room. We are in room 2101, 21st floor. I did not know there was 21 floors. It's actually 22 floors. I was shocked when they said 21st. Anyways, this is the entrance. Right off the entrance is the bathroom. Very, very modern and up to date. Very clean. My kids wash their hands, so the rags are not out in place anymore, but that's okay. Marble countertops. Nice subway tiling on the back. Splashes here in the shower. Also has subway tiling, which looks very, very clean. Black accessories. Is this called accessories? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Black finishes with a nice sliding glass door. It's not huge, but it's gonna get the job done. So you come out of the bathroom and here's the room. We did book a king room, but we got 2 kids, so we asked them to change it to the 2 doubles here.
Just because of the kids.
Just because of the kids. But that's okay. I wouldn't have mind cuddling with them in the king.
I would.
Over here is looks like a clothing, your closet. There's some racks up there because it matches this one up here that actually has hangers. But over here is the storage, and the safe is behind Carson. Right there, you have a little seat right here. Here's the first bed, the second bed with the Damion. Did not come with the room. I brought him with me. In between the beds, there is a table. Then inside the table, there is the outlet along with some USB ports. There's a Bible in here. No, Jesus is in this room. Oh no.
We in here now, so he in here.
And storage is down here. Panning right around, we have an air conditioner that actually works. It is freezing in here. And you can actually control it from there and not have to control it from here, which is very weird. I'm not used to that. Over here, let's come around. Over here, we have a desk area that I will be using come Monday morning. And then we have the TV here. Haven't turned it on. Oh my gosh. On the desk, you have your phone, you have some Starbucks. They're closed tomorrow and Monday, guys. I don't understand. We have a Keurig here that we're not going to be using.
Hold on, yesterday closed tomorrow on Monday. Watch this tomorrow.
Sunday and Monday. Keurig right here. And some storage space. A nice little chair. Over here, we have a steam iron. Oh, they provide an iron. Some more storage. This is actually a seat, which is very nice. A seat right here, but we put our bags on there. More hanging space, and then over here is a full-length mirror for the most part. There she goes. OTT of the day. Shirt is from on the screen. Pants is from on the screen. Shoes is from on the screen. Watch is from on the screen. Hair is from Jesus. Not the color. Okay guys, I'm done. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this room tour. If you enjoyed this room tour, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the room per se.
Big up on yourself.
Big up on herself. Rare. Okay, and guys, be sure to check out our videos from our mini quick getaway trip to New York City. It is Carson and KJ's first time here, and they are so excited.
They just can't hide it.
Anyways, guys, until next time, you won't know where we're going. Anyways, guys, until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.
Mommy.